We recently conducted a series of interviews with the CEO of PeopleWorks International regarding the challenges companies face achieving world-class performance and profitability. Today's segment is a portion of an interview with Matt Briggs, one of PeopleWorks' experts on business measurement, on why PeopleWorks focuses so much on measurement before offering any advice. Matt, walk us through why do you measure, what do you measure, and why is this so important?
Well, typically, Mike, why we get started is we usually get a call from a CEO about what's keeping him up at night. So to start off, there are already some concerns or problems, but as you spoke about, before we do anything, we always want to make sure we measure and assess the area first. We want to establish the baseline, learn the facts, know what we have to work with, and understand what we have to build on. What we've got at PeopleWorks, we've got an entire suite of proprietary assessment tools to basically get us started and gather these facts. Some of these you're aware with that you've seen. We've got our, whether it be the total company assessment, customer loyalty assessment, supply chain assessment, our employee engagement survey, maybe a manufacturing excellence survey, or our union vulnerability assessment, or our talent management assessment. We've got the tools necessary at PeopleWorks to find out how these areas are affecting the organizations and establish the business case for improvement by identifying those gaps, those significant gaps and facts to build on and move forward.
Okay, Matt. Well, if a company was interested in doing an assessment, talk to us a little bit about the process and why would they pick PeopleWorks to do this type of an assessment?
Well, Mike, as we discussed earlier, it's basically the process is a three-prong approach. Number one, it starts with proprietary surveys that we have. And then also number two, some interviews. And then number three, which is a big part of that, is on-site visits to the organization. And basically, average turnaround time, how long can this take? Typically, it's 3 weeks, but depending on the sense of urgency from our customer, that can be sped up or slowed down in order to meet their needs. And then how we differentiate ourselves at PeopleWorks, basically, we not only provide an extensive assessment, but we can establish the baseline, and we also can assist in the improvements. A lot of organizations that provide assessments basically give you the information and say good luck. We can help put the plan together to make the improvements and increase performance. We've got a balanced mix of savvy veterans and young energy that has the experience of working with several global industry leaders in different industries such as manufacturing, energy, the automotive, financial services, and we also have the skill sets necessary to help you build a great company and ultimately pursue performance excellence.
If you're interested in identifying areas where strategic changes can result in greater performance, profitability, and a more engaged workforce, call us today at 800-505-3978. Also, stay tuned for our next message describing how PeopleWorks has helped great companies in difficult circumstances achieve exceptional results by integrating leadership, process, and technology.